as you can tell by the title, this is going to be an easy everyday type of look. I just used one eyeshadow. I kept this very easy for you guys. I wanted everyone to be able to look put together and be able to recreate this look. So if you guys like what you see, then just keep on watching. And as always, if you're not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button and also the bell notification. Hello everyone, so I'm back with this tutorial. This is pretty much an everyday type of look. This is not what I do every day. Every day I'm just going to work, so I don't do much. Sometimes I do foundation, sometimes I don't do foundation, sometimes I do makeup, sometimes I don't do any makeup. So it just really just all depends. But this is my everyday, as in if I'm going somewhere and I'm trying to look put together but I don't want to spend too much time doing my makeup and doing anything creative or anything like that, this is kind of like what I'm gonna do. And I realize that I do this a lot, especially when I'm in a hurry and I can't take too long to do my makeup. So I figured, why not show you guys what I usually do, since it's a more realistic look for an everyday. So of course the products are always going to change. Foundation is going to change, powders are going to change, blushes are going to change. But for the most part, this is just how the look goes. So you can use any of your products to achieve this look. So first I'm going to start off by using this blurring primer from Cover FX. I got this in my BoxyCharm last month, if I'm not mistaken. And this is it right here. So I'm still pretty much trying out this product, and the reason I was pretty excited about this product was not so much for pores, but more for like the lines that I have going on, usually where the foundation tends to crease up, which is like right here, and it likes to go into my little wrinkle lines in my forehead. Make sure you just push that product in. So for foundation, I have the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and this is in the color medium 1.5. I'll link it down below, just in case I'm just not looking at my correct color. So this is actually a sample. I don't have the foundation yet. Hopefully soon I'll have that. But before I purchase this Nars ones, I'm gonna purchase the Lancome foundation. Like, I am obsessed with that foundation. This is probably like the second favorite high-end foundation. And being very ratchet here. So I always tell everyone, if maybe you don't have the money to purchase a high-end foundation, but you want to go ahead and use it, just go to Sephora and get a sample. You can get as many samples as you can, as you want. I feel like not a lot of people know that, because I know that when I tell people that, they're like, what? And I'm like, yes, go get your samples to get that bomb foundation for free. So this foundation is full coverage, but it's so lightweight that you don't feel it as a full coverage, which is one of the reasons why I like it, because I don't like the caked up feeling from a foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. So I've used this sample before, which is why there's not so much, and I have to go in with a Q-tip to take it out. Remember, the key to a non-cakey face is to apply a thin layer of foundation so that it can always look a little bit more just like skin. And then if you want, just go in with a sponge. I didn't go in with a sponge at first because I feel like the sponge is going to remove more product before I get to blend it out. So I'd rather just go in with the brush and then go in with the sponge to just soak up any excess product. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do my brows really quick. So for brows, I can go ahead and use different type of products, but lately I've been using the Brow Gal, and this I also got in my BoxyCharm. I'm telling you guys, if you guys don't have the BoxyCharm, definitely give it a try, because I feel like I always find products in there that I love. So I'm not too crazy about my brows like some people are. As long as I get some definition in my eyebrows, then I'm happy. So you see the difference? And I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyebrow and I'll be right back. So now I'm just gonna take this Wet n Wild concealer and I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up a little bit. And as I clean up, I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids. And I'm using this e.l.f. translucent powder. Okay, so now that we did that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the rest of my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly contour my face a little bit. I know to some this step might seem as extra or it might take you a little bit longer. I mean, to me, I feel like it's just a quick, easy step. And not only that, it's going to allow your face not to look as cakey and powdery, because you don't have to apply so much powder to get that bronzy effect. So if you want to look less powdery, this is definitely an option. And then you can go in with a brush or you can go in with a sponge, whichever one works best for you. And I'm just pushing the product up as I'm blending. So you see, I'm already looking. So just by doing that, you can start seeing the dimension in the face. So that's gonna allow for me to use less. This part right here helps with any of your under eye wrinkles, because it's pretty much going to cover them up, make them less noticeable. So that's that. Then I'm gonna go in with this new eyeliner that I just got and I love it. It's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and this is what it looks like right here. And it's really inexpensive and I highly suggest you guys pick this up. So if you're not comfortable with this type of applicator, then it's not gonna work out. But I feel like this is the best type to get that crispy wing. When it comes to the actual wing part, I like to just make a line and then just make them come together. I guess you can see better than I can tell you. And I go and I finish connecting it. So I went ahead and applied the eyeliner. You guys can of course do without the eyeliner or just apply the eyeliner however you guys feel most comfortable doing that. And I'm going to take the highlight that I used on my face and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight the inner tear duct. I feel like this step definitely opens up your eyes and it looks really nice. Also going to go ahead and highlight the brow bone a bit. So you don't need the products that I have in order to recreate this look. You can literally use anything that you have. Okay, that's that. And I'm also going to apply some lashes, so I'm going to go ahead and let that lash glue dry. And before we do that, let's just go ahead and jump to the lips. I'm going to keep the lips very simple, but with this type of look you can pretty much do any color lip. You could do a red, you could do a vampy lip, you could do a nude like I'm doing now. Anything pretty much goes for this look. I'm just applying this lip liner. I just bought this lip liner and I'm obsessed, and I also want to get the lip cream for it. This is Apple Dhabi lip cream, which I love as well, and the lip liner is London, but they have one of these in the color London as well, which I do want to get. And these are so comfortable on the lip. Like if you're a person that feels like you have dry lips all the time and you cannot do a liquid lip liner, a liquid lipstick, try these out and let me know what you think. Because look, they're so creamy. So while we wait for the lash glue to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some mascara in the bottom lash lines. And I'm using this mascara right here by Maybelline. Highly recommend it. So if you need a mascara to make your eyelashes look very big and voluminous, this right here, because of this applicator. Okay, so I already put my lashes on. Sometimes what I like to do is just apply a little bit of mascara afterwards and just connect the fake lashes with my lashes. I'm just gonna go ahead and set the face. So this basically completes this look. I hope this look was easy for you guys to be able to recreate, and you are able to just wear this and look put together, whether it's daytime, whether it's nighttime, whether you're skilled with makeup or whether you're just a beginner. So this was the goal with this. This is something that I go for a lot, believe it or not. It's not all the time that I get to have time to really sit down and do more of my, I guess, creative looks. So I hope you guys enjoy this look. If you enjoyed this look, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And thank you guys so much for watching.